For us car guys, what is the most wonderful time of the year? Is it Christmas time? Yes, it's Christmas time. And also, it's a Christmas time in the north where you don't have snow outside, because then you can get right to working on your car with all your new Christmas gifts, like new window regulator, switch, new, what is this? Side markers, corner side marker lamps, and to top it all off, literally, a battery clamp for replacing on the battery. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Do you agree? If you do, let me know. Like this video, and also check out our other ones, but make sure you put a comment below on if you got anything from Amazon or from the junkyard or from a parts store or whatever, and you actually got to put it on your car after Christmas.